Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Zach with MoneyPitRC. Today's video, we are going to be thrashing around this hypergo 14301. I've seen a couple people do reviews on these, and I thought I'd give it a try. So hypergo actually reached out to me, and they decided to send me one. So I took the offer. So we're going to give it heck and see what it can take. So we're just going to keep this short and simple, just go over a couple of key features. I really like how it has this Lexan cover to keep all the electronics like clear and free of dirt and debris. So I thought that was a really cool idea. It is a brushless system. It comes with the full like standalone gyro system. So that's pretty cool. They are oil-filled shocks. It's got this cool chassis brace. It's actually, I don't know what, pretty sure it's metal or some type of aluminum, but full aluminum or metal bottom. Comes with a cool splitter, metal axles in there, metal drive shafts, metal diff cups, and I'm pretty sure they're metal diffs. It does come with one 2S lipo. You can run 2S and 3S in this ESC. So we are going to be running 2S and 3S. So that's it. I just wanted to show a couple key features, and we're going to take this thing out and see what it can handle. We're going to do a couple speed runs. It's a little wet out, but it should be okay. This is on 2S. Always lands on its feet. Let's do another one this way. Try to keep them more straight. All right, we put a 3S battery in this. I do want to say that you will not get a 3S battery when you purchase this car. You'll still get just a random. You'll still just get a random 2S battery. So you will have to upgrade to the 3S battery. It will not come with it. We're gonna do a couple. Man, that thing really woke it up. Do another turn around. Do another speed run this way. Whoa. Dumble wumble. It's pretty quick on 3S. I think people are getting like 35 to 40 miles an hour. See if we can ramp down this. All right, guys, I ran two 2S packs and one 3S pack to this thing, and it handled amazing. I am actually really impressed with this vehicle. The only thing that I lost was 3 body clips, but good thing it comes with extra body clips. Little scrapes on the roof, little scrapes on the body, normal wear and tear. But other than that, this thing handled awesome. I had to give a little bit more preload on the springs just because it was bottoming out pretty good. But other than that, everything held up good. Motor temp stayed really cool, even with 3S. If you want to know more about it, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can check out all the full details on it and where you can get it and how much it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.